everyone, I am Dineshwaran, son of Sivakumar, studying at Uniton College. Today I am here to do a short presentation video on my midterm project from digital logic subject. So let's go into the video. So hi guys, this is my midterm project. My class code is EEB1034. Okay, I was required to do a security system is designed so that instances four input lines. It has four input lines A, B, C, and D. Okay, so line A represents the secret control switch. Line B is the motion detector attached to the window. And line C is from a battery powered clock, and line D is connected to a magnetic sensor to detect open doors. The following condition produces logic 1 on each line. When the switch is off, no movement is detected. The clock is between 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. and then the door is closed. So there are four inputs, and it will produce one output. Okay. The alarm will ring when there is a movement detected when the control switch is off. Or when a movement is detected when the control switch is off, or when the door is opened after midnight, or when the door is opened when the control switch is on. So guys, I did the simple stimulation on. So guys, the first one will be input A, which represents the secret control switch, and this one, the second one, will be input B, which represents the motion detector, and the third one will be input C, the battery powered clock, and the last one will be magnetic sensor to detect open doors. Yes, sir. So guys, the this light bulb here will represent the alarm. So when the light bulb turn on and light up, so it means the alarm will ring. So the first situation that we got is the alarm will ring when there is a movement and the control switch is off. So the first one, the control switch is off, and the second one, which is the motion detector, will detect when there is a movement. So when there is a movement, this will turn on, so the alarm will ring. This will satisfy the first situation that we got. Okay, besides that, the door is opened, so the last one, the last input D, represents the magnetic sensor to detect open doors. So when the door is open and at midnight, so this clock will turn on because it's a battery powered clock. The clock is between 12 a.m. and 6 a.m., which is midnight will turn on also. So this when these two is turned on, the battery clock and the magnetic sensor to detect open doors, it will satisfy the second situation whereby door opened at midnight, so the alarm will ring when the door is open at midnight. So lastly, we got situation whereby the door is opened when the control switch is on, and when the control switch is on, the bulb will turn up and the alarm will ring. So the logic gate circuit that I built here satisfies the situation that I got in this project. It satisfies the three of this situation. I used OR gate. This is OR gate with two input, and this is AND gate with two input. I just built a simple logic gate system circuit. The gate that I built, it satisfies the condition that I was gave in my midterm project. So guys, derive the truth table and the timing diagram for the described system. So yeah, here is the midterm project, guys. Four input and output, one output. This is the boolean expression for the logic gate system I built, and the truth table. This is the truth table I obtained for each input and one output. This is the timing diagram that I draw for all my input, and the last one stands for output. So basically the line at the 0 and the upper line is at 1. So guys, after that, minterm and maxterm. Maxterm is basically the ones with output 1. So maxterm should be written in POs from products of sum. So product of sum form, and minterm 0, 1, 2, 3, and it should be written in sum of products form. This is the circuit I draw using few logic gates. So however, there is a difference between the circuit that I drew here and the circuit that I built in this simulations, because the simulation here will accept only two input in one OR gate. The circuit that I built, I draw, I use the OR gate which will accept the three input gate. So basically guys, I used only two types of gate. One is OR and another one is AND gate to satisfy the boolean expression here. The same circuit I draw using only universal gates. So this is the circuit that I built using universal gates. And yeah guys, this is the simulation on the logic gate simulator that I use. So that is all from me guys, the midterms, maxterms, and yeah, I did each and everything already. Thank you so much.